Hello and welcome to today's tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can mint and forge the Awesome Ajuna Avatars, which are ultimately NFTs that are going to be used in the awesome Battle of Mogs game with Mogwais on the Ajuna parachain when it's going to launch, and you're going to be able to do quests, battles with these NFTs. And so let's kick things off. We are on their official website. Again, this is live right now on mainnet, so you can use real cryptocurrencies to actually mint these. I'm going to show you how you can do it. And as always, it's not financial advice. Just know that it's up to you if you want to do it. I'm just showing you how to do it. I have taken part in their crowdloan on Bajun, and so I got bajun tokens or coins as part of that crowdloan, and I also got a number of free mints. As you can see here, if you had contributed to the crowdloan, you also qualify for a number of free mints. I've actually got 28, and you can see that on the right hand side here, top right hand side, where it says free mints, and it has number 28 next to the Mogwai there. Now, we've got different card packs here. As you can see, we are in season 1, so they're going to launch different seasons with different features. If you go to market and you go to buy cards here, you get to see these 3 different card packs that are available. So the first one only gives you 1 free mint. The second one has 3 card packs, so you get 3 free mints. And the 6th one gives you 6 free mints. Okay, free mints right now, because I am under the free mints. But if I was to choose Bayou and I want to pay with cryptocurrency, with the Bayou cryptocurrency, which is available on MEXC, by the way, they are listed there, which is a cryptocurrency centralized exchange where they listed. Again, you can do that, right? If you have Bayou, you can just mint using Bayou. But because I've got the free mints, I'm going to use that. So let's say I want to mint 6 card packs. So I simply click 6 here. I sign the transaction with the password. And as you can see, there is also a mint cooldown period. So it tells you the number of blocks that you need to wait until you can mint again. And there you go. As you can see, I have minted my 6 Mogwais here, the Awesome Ajuna Avatars. They are Mogwais and there are different types. So now we can go to the inventory here. And in the inventory page, what we can do with these ones is we can actually forge them to make them stronger. As you can see, they are of common type right now. Okay, they're all common type. So again, everything that you mint from those card packs are all common, but it's up to you to keep forging them and make them stronger until you get a rare. And then when you have enough rare, you can also turn them into a legendary. There are only like 10 legendaries available, I believe. So it's very hard to get a legendary, just know that. And in order to get a legendary to forge, you need to make sure you align the moon with the time, okay, and the type of Mogwai you have. I still haven't figured this out yet, so if you will figure it out, just let me know in the comments below. I'm actually curious what the trick is. Maybe we're going to get the alpha from the founder itself eventually when I'm going to interview him on this channel. But now just to show you how you can forge, so you simply select one of the Mogwais and then you just select Let's Forge here. Again, as you can see here, it does tell me that I've got 2 different bars of energy. So the idea here is that you keep forging until these bars get filled up. And then once they get filled up, the next step is that they become a rare. When it's filled up, they turn into a rare. So it's like the next level up. It's an upgrade. They're a lot more powerful, but that's not to say that they won't be powerful with a lot of soul points. You can give them soul points in the case that the forge fails and you don't actually accumulate new bars here, but you get soul points, which means you still make them stronger. So you just select Let's Forge. And now what we need to do is we need to select the available Mogwais that can be forged with this specific one to make it stronger. So you simply select Add to Forge. As you can see, there's like a flashing line here going around, which basically tells me I can forge with these ones, right? So you select Add to Forge, and we've got one more here, Add to Forge. And so you can see if we go down, it tells me I've got 3 different ones here. I could have added a 4th one if I had more mints, but because I've only minted 1 time, I can only do 3. And as you can see here, the estimated power bars that you can get here are 3 extra. So 5 is the maximum that you can get. You can get less, right? You can get 3 maybe. You can get none if you're unlucky. And this is where it's important to align the sun with the time. This is the star clock, okay? I like to say the sun, but it's ultimately the star clock, okay? And as you can see, it tells us where we are right now. And this changes, of course, as time goes by. So just select Forge here, sign the transaction. And there we go. So as you can see, we forged a new character, well, the same character really, but it's more powerful. It's got a lot more soul points. As you can see, soul points went up 166%, and we gained 2 new bars. Okay, so like I told you, it was up to 3, but not guaranteed to get the 3, right? So that was the difference here. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. We didn't get the 5, we got the 4. It's still okay. And now we can just select Forge again. And if we had more Mogwai, which would have had that highlighted line going around, we could have just forged those and added on. So that's the idea. It's to keep doing that in order to make your character stronger. So that's pretty much it. That's all we can do in Season 1. There's also a leaderboard here. As you can see, if we go to the leaderboard, here you could see all the powerful Mogwais that are available. There are a few legendaries. So this is rank number 1. Look how cool this is. This is rank number 2 as well. Legendary rank number 3. So a lot of legendaries have already been forged. As you can see here, there are a lot of them. The ones that are rare also look pretty cool. So once you get to the rare stage into the legendary, their design absolutely changes, right? It's nothing like the commons. They're a lot slicker, they're cooler. You could see that more effort was put into the design, hence why legendary, hence why rare, because it's not easy to get them, right? So they have to look flashier, they have to look cooler. So yeah, and then there's the soul points as well. You could see the leaderboard when it comes to the soul points. These are people that have been trying to make their Mogwai stronger. And again, if they have a legendary, the only thing they can get are soul points, right? So they can keep on going until they get like a ton of soul points and they can really make it in the leaderboards from that. Again, if you have a common, you can keep on doing it and keep on getting those soul points as well. But of course, you need to spend a lot on all those mints. So just keep that in mind as well, right? So it does come with some risks, but I'm sure they're going to do some giveaways or something for people in the leaderboard. Okay, so that's pretty much it. As you can see, it is very straightforward, but that's how you do it. You just need to figure out how to align the clock here, the star clock, in order to maximize your chances of forging powerful characters. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.